Okay, so today we have pretty special radio. It's Pioneer Carrozzeria, but it's pretty sad because the radio frequency is made only for Asian countries. I will explain it later, but not many stations we can get here. So all I can show you now is how it works, the CD and the mini discs. Let's see how it looks in the dark.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me.
Let's try the mini disc. I have to say it sounds amazing. Okay. I will put the note about the radio frequency in the video description. Okay, thumbs up. Oh, by the way, this volume wheel, it's a little bit strange working, but it works. Cheers, bye.